Today I'm showing how to install the VS Code in Macbook Pro. So first of all we need to go Google and search VS Code. Now click here. Now here we need to choose which operating system we are using. Currently I'm using Mac, so I'm click on Mac. After that clicking, one pop-up is coming and this means downloading going to start now. We need to wait for download. When it is download done, then we are ready to use the VS Code. It's also showing the direct link, which will provide the direct links to install the VS Code. Sometime what will happen, like we are not able to see the download pop-up, so what we need to do, just click here and it will goes to on direct download link and it download and we can download from there. That how we can install VS Code in our MacBook Pro. Now I think 5 seconds left. I think it's almost done. See, it's almost done. Now I just need to click here. Is download. Now I need to click on VS Code, Visual Studio. Let's open. See, this is our Visual Studio Code is installed in our laptop and we are able to use. So from here we can start use and you can choose comma, like whatever we need to accordingly we can use as work. Now this is how I can today show you. So guys, if you like my videos, please do like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.